Today, I'm going to show you how to put a YouTube video in Prezi step by step so you can add videos to your presentation quickly and make your content much more engaging. If you're building a lesson, a pitch deck, a training presentation, or any kind of visual story, this is a really useful skill to know. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Prezi account and open the project file you want to edit inside the Prezi presentation editor. Once your presentation is open, take a moment to find the exact frame or topic where you want the YouTube video to appear. In Prezi, placement matters because your video will live inside the part of the presentation you choose, so you want to zoom into the correct section before inserting it. Now, once you're in the right area, look at the top center toolbar. You should see a media button there. Click on Media, and from the options that appear, choose Video. This is the feature that lets you add video content directly into your Prezi presentation. After you click Video, a panel will open on the right side of your screen. This is where Prezi gives you the options to embed and adjust the player look. In that panel, find the input box labeled Embed YouTube. This is the spot where you'll paste your YouTube link. Now go to the YouTube video you want to add and copy the link. Then come back to Prezi, right-click inside the Embed YouTube box, and select Paste. If your link was copied correctly, it should appear right inside the field. Once the link is in place, click the blue Insert button. Prezi will process the video and generate a thumbnail player right on your open canvas. You can then see exactly where the video will sit inside your presentation. At this point, take a quick look at the placement and make sure it fits the flow of your slide or topic frame. If needed, you can adjust the position so the video sits where you want it visually. This helps keep your presentation clean and easy to follow. And that's it. You've now successfully added a YouTube video into Prezi. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in how dynamic and professional your presentation feels. Whether you're sharing a tutorial, a demo, or a supporting clip, embedding a YouTube video can help you explain your point much more clearly. If this video helped, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.